Bringing your car to a local shop for service is not always cheaper or convenient. Whether you need brake repair, to order new parts, or a tune-up. At Bill Pierre Chevrolet, we provide complete service for your Chevy vehicle, from oil changes to transmission repairs. Here at Bill Pierre Chevrolet's state-of-the-art facility, our highly trained Chevrolet service technicians are dedicated to getting you back on the road fast. Visit us at www.pierrechevrolet.com. While you're there, get a quick quote. Check out our service center for information or to set an appointment. And view our inventory of parts and accessories. And at a certified dealer, you get reliable service performed by highly trained technicians you can trust. Call, click, or come in for more information. Bill Pierre Chevrolet is located at 11323 Lake City Way Northeast in Seattle, Washington.